Merry Vlogmas and 25 days of deals. Today is Vlogmas day 5. I missed yesterday. I was super busy. We went out of town shopping, didn't get home till late. But I am back for day 5, and you guys do not want to miss out on this Dollar General deals and coupon matchups. It is amazing. What's up, Cham Fam? Stephanie here at Stephanie Chambers Daily. And I see you've made your way back to my channel one more time. So if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. All right, guys, today, you're gonna wanna see this whole video. Do not miss out. Don't end it early. Watch until the end. It is amazing. Go grab you a snack, grab you something to drink, sit back, and let's save this money. So be sure to go and clip the new coupons for this week. This is one of the new coupons for this week. It is the Chic Classic Women's Disposable Razors. They are $4. We have a $3 off digital, and that's going to leave you paying only $1. These are great stocking stuffers and great to throw in gift baskets, guys. Then we have the Chic Classic Sensitive Disposable Men's Razors. It is the 3 count. It is also $4. We have a $3 off digital, which is going to leave you paying only $1. Oh, wait, sweet sugar. And we actually have another coupon that is attached into that one. So you can actually get 2 packs of these Man's Big Razors. It's $8, $6 in coupons because we have 2 $3 off digital. It's going to leave you paying $2 for 2 3 count pack razors. Then this is where it's showing you the 2 different coupons that we have that is attaching to the 2 men's razors. It is the Skintimate Men's Disposable, or the Chic Men's Disposable, and then the Skintimate and the Chic. So both of these attached to that $4 razor, making it $2 for 2 of them. Then our free item this week, we have free, the Airwick Scented Oil Warmer. It is 1 count. It is $1.60, and we have a coupon for $1.60 off, which is making this item completely free. Great stocking stuffer, great to throw in a gift basket. If you did not see my video, my last video on Vlogmas Day 3, I had this cereal on there. You could get 3 boxes for $2.35. If you was not able to go out and get this deal, like I wasn't because I was busy all day Saturday, you can get 2 boxes of Captain Crunch and only pay $2 for it. This is free with overage. This is the Crest plus Scope Toothpaste, the 2.7 ounce. It is $1 for this tube of toothpaste. We have a $2 off digital, which is going to make this completely free toothpaste with $1 in overage. Then we have the Plus Lotion Facial Tissues. If you have not used it yet, it is $1.65 for this small box, the cube box. We have $1 off digital that is glitching and attaching to it, making this only 65 cents, and it's great to throw in any gift box, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And we're now going to do our post notification shout out. If you're wondering how to receive your very own shout out, it's so very simple. All you have to do is follow these 5 things. First, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, turn on that post notification bell button. Once you hit that bell button, go and like the video. Once you like it, then share it. Share it with your social media, your mommy, your daddy, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. I don't care, just share it. And once you've shared it, comment down below, #ChamFam, #done, or #post notification gang. So today's shout out goes to Ann Bradley. I see you, girl. Thank you so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. Y'all see Remy in the corner? Look at her cute little self. Remy. Hey, darling. Hey. I love each and every one of you guys. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed evening. And as we always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now, and time for baby. Remy, where's baby shark? Where's baby? Oh, is that baby shark? The baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. A baby shark. But mama some sugar. Mwah. So, mwah. You got my leggings? You got my Dollar General leggings? Say, mwah. I love you, baby. I love you. Say, love you, mama. Tell the Chan fam bye-bye. Tell him bye-bye. Tell him bye-bye. You gonna tell him bye-bye? Tell him bye-bye. Give him some sugar. Give him some sugar. Remy. Give him some sugar. Give him some sugar. So this is actually a picture of Remy exactly 1 year ago. As you can see, it says December 5th, 2020. One of the biggest smiles ever on her face. She was so tiny then. And just the comparison from last year to this year is so different. But I just thought I would share this with you guys. It just absolutely made my day 10 times better. And I just thought I'd throw in an extra couple pictures of Remy, her cheesing. She's so pretty. Such a sweet little girl. Her just a smiling. And then she has on some reindeer ears here with her aunt. She's just so precious. Cocomelon. Where's Cocomelon? Oh, really? Is it right there? Is that Cocomelon? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Get your baby. Get your baby some sugar. Away, so sweet. Away. Oh, sweet baby. Blow me some sugar. Cocomelon. Yeah. But mama some sugar. Go. Mwah. You still telling us about Cocomelon? Say, mwah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Away. Don't sweet scissors. Away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't seen these videos yet, be sure to click on them. You do not want to miss out on these amazing deals. And as I always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now.